down. Yeah, way down. You don't mind, do you? Yeah, you know this one. All you're watching is a puppet show, people. Yeah. Did I give it away? Yeah. Listen up now. Hey, let me tell you something about the space station. It's only really there in your imagination. That thing ain't real. It's science fiction. It's there to feed your space addiction. Those astronauts are not in space. It's written all over their stupid face. See, I can spot a lie from 100 miles, and I can spot a fraud from the way they smile. Didn't you learn nothing from the fake moon mission? That puppet show from President Nixon. Well, listen up, they're doing it again, it seems. Check out the harnesses and green screens. I used to work a lot in film and TV. I know a bit about the television trickery to create the illusion that you're somewhere that you're not. A green screen is what you're gonna use a lot. And if you wear a harness and attach it to the ceiling, the illusion that you're floating is what they'll be believing. All y'all watching is a puppet show. Yeah, the whole world's a stage. Astronauts, they're just actors, of course, and yeah, they all get paid. Look at me, I'm floating in space. No, you're not, you're lying to the human race, yeah. Yes, you are. Well, let me tell you something about a zero-G plane. This thing flies up and then down again. Some weird stuff happens when you're on the inside. You start to float as the plane takes a dive. Simply had an actor that's trained to deceive, and you got yourself an astronaut, or so you believe. The plane flies up and that's everyone's cue. Then action, we got some deceiving to do. The plane flies down and then everyone knows to start the ISS live show. Floating in a plane in zero-G, but you only see astronauts on your TV. All y'all watching is a puppet show. Yeah, the whole world's a stage. Astronauts, they're just actors, of course, and yeah, they all get paid. Look at me, I'm floating in space. No, you're lying to the human race, yeah. And everyone here knows it, right? Well, another thing I noticed when I looked at these fools, they're filming spacewalks and buoyancy pools. NASA's gonna tell you that it's just for training, to practice for space station maintaining. Well, I thought about that, but if that's the case, then why the hell can I see bubbles in space? Yeah, take a hard look at the next spacewalk and tell me if you can see bubbles at all. Open your eyes, man, I'll bet you a quarter those spacewalks are filmed underwater. I can see space bubbles everywhere. Hey NASA, how the hell did those get there? All y'all watching is a puppet show. Yeah, the whole world's a stage. Astronauts, they're just actors, of course, and yeah, they all get paid. Look at me, I'm floating in space. No, you're not, you're lying to the human race. Yes, you are. Sure, when you see an astronaut aboard the ISS, take another look at your TV set. Well, they're pretty good at faking, so you gotta look close. Pay some attention to the way the actor floats. If you ask me, that ain't zero gravity, but Hollywood effects that I see on my TV. Take a good look at the whole darn thing. These lying rascals are just puppets on a string. It's all a big science fiction puppet show. The game's up, assholes, cause we all know. Thanks for the show, NASA. It's been a blast. Now take your fake station out. All you're watching is a puppet show, and the whole world's a stage. Yeah, astronauts, they're just actors, of course, and yeah, they all get paid. Look at me, I'm floating in space. No, you're not, you're lying to the human race. Now all you're watching is a puppet show. Yeah, the whole world's a stage. Astronauts, they're just actors, of course, and yeah, they all get paid. Look at me, I'm floating in space. No, you're not, you're lying to the human race. Now all you're watching is a puppet show. Yeah, the whole world's a stage. Astronauts, they're just actors, of course, and yeah, they all get paid. Look at me, I'm floating in space. No, you're not. You're lying to the human race. All you're watching is a puppet show, people.